29th February 2024. French category draw. The score 336. Oh yes, you heard it right. 336. What a draw. What a score. Imagine like all you needed at that time was TEF Canada or TCF Canada CLB 7. Even if you had just bachelor's done, no masters, IELTS petit score, not even maybe 778, and just 1 year of experience, work experience, whether in Canada or abroad, anywhere, you would have got the ITA and you would have got Canada PR. That is the real magic of French category draw. Yes. So take this video as your key takeaway to understand that how actually the French category mechanism works. Because if you understand this well, you'll understand the importance of learning French. And I do get it. I absolutely understand that you could be working professional. Of course, there's a lot to do. Some of you are doing 2 jobs while working and while staying in Canada. And some of you are, of course, living a difficult parental life. I totally understand. I totally resonate with you all. However, I also have a strong belief that if you study French, even if you study like just 1 hour a day and with the right guidance, definitely it will be a game changer for you. This video, we are going to do the analysis on how the 2024 draw pattern, how the 2025 draw pattern up until now has literally made many of the dream come true. And what is it in for you is something that we are going to talk about it in this video. Do subscribe to the channel and do like the video, of course. Please comment, because your comment, your like is something motivates us to come with more and more such meaningful content. Let's get Okay, so now let's just understand how the French draw category are actually working. Now, in order to understand how the French draw category are actually working, we need to understand what are French draw. So typically, the French draws are very simple to understand. This is something Canada wanted to promote, or Canada is definitely ready to promote, or meaning to promote people who speaks French in Canada. In order to bring that crowd, the bilingual crowd who speaks English and French, they decided to come up with a category, French draw category, wherein if you're somebody who knows, speak, read, write, listen French, you're most welcome to apply for PR. Now, this is similar to the needs of the market. Like during the COVID time, we were looking for, or they were looking for healthcare professionals. Hence, they came up with an idea of separate category for the healthcare. Similarly, for the French draw, now they want people, more and more people to speak French. And hence, they came up with this particular category selection, which is called French category draw. Typically, yes, the government is very much in the favor of French category draw, because after the election of Mr. Mark Carney, it was announced that they plan to go ahead and increase the target of the Francophone immigration outside Quebec by 12%, which gives us a simple message here that French is here to stay, and French category draw is something will be the go-to category for you all who are looking to make the Canadian dream come true. Moving further, who qualifies for the draw? Obviously, if I know French, maybe I know a very basic French of hi, how are you, where are you, and all of that. Doesn't mean that I'm qualified to get PR. There has to be some benchmark. There has to be some marking system so that they can at least quantify the people or qualify the people for that French category draw. Definitely, they are the ones who secure CLB 7. What is CLB7? CLB7 is very similar to IELTS because you must have taken IELTS, whether general IELTS or academic IELTS or maybe PT or maybe any other exam like CELPIP. So if you understand the benchmarking, CLB7 is nothing but that you're B2 or B2 plus, or maybe somebody who is advanced level, somebody who is little higher than intermediate level, and you can read, write, listen and speak to that proficiency that you can adapt well to the culture of the country. That is CLB7. Now, which exams qualify for the CLB7? TEF Canada exam, TCF Canada exam. Both exams are taken globally, and wherever you reside in, whichever part of the country or the globe you're living in, by all means, you will have a center. If not, your periphery or the areas or the geographical area will have the center, whether they'll take TEF Canada exam or TCF Canada exam. Today, I will not talk about the exam part because that's not the purpose of the video. Besides that, you should have the active file in the pool. Now, what is the active file in the pool? You just cannot learn French and get the CLB7 and secure PR like that. No, you still have you should have an active file. What is active file? You should have got your WES done. You should have your educational credential, whether it is ICAS and everything done, IELTS done. You should and must have 1 year of work experience, whether it is tier 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now this work experience can be work experience of Canada. This can be work experience of definitely abroad, doesn't matter. But you must have an active file in the pool to be qualified for the French draw. Now, before I move further, if you want to know anything about the centers of the TEF Canada or the TCF Canada exam and how they are qualified, please put it in the comment, because I will then understand better that you want me to make a separate video on that, and I'll be super happy to do that for you. And do subscribe to the channel. Moving further, let's just understand the 2023 breakdown. Now, 2023 was actually the year when we saw the first French category draw, which was 7th of July 2023. 7th of July 2023, they invited 2,300 people, and the CRS score was 439. Now 439 is still good score, but look at this number here. Now if you look at this wonderful number here, which is 375, is taking my attention away on the screen, as in bringing my attention back to the screen, and 3,800 was phenomenal. Imagine at that point in time, obviously there were not many people who were learning French, and the number of people in the pool might be lesser also who knew French or who must have taken TEF or TCF Canada by then. By the way, I had already cleared the TEF by that time, and I was already in Canada during this draw time. So which means that 3,800 was quite a promising number. And if I talk about the rest of the number, if you see, there was no draw in November, but there was a draw in July, August, September, October, and then December, which means they took out about 8,700 people from the pool, people who knew French, and the average score was still phenomenal, like 447. Imagine 447, or let's say just this number of 375. It's like, oh my God, like even if you have just basic score of IELTS, maybe a 1 year work experience, but you know French, you're done. You will get an ITA. You will get that golden ticket to PR. And this is how simple it was. Let's move on to the next part. The next part comes the main one, which is the 2024. Now, 2024 is very tricky here, guys, because 2024 is the year which is obviously closer to us, because we are living in the 2025 at the moment. Now, 2024 the pattern looks amazingly incredible here. 2024 was the time when 29th of February saw the dip in the CRS score, and that was just 336. The total number of ITAs issued in the entire year with 11 number of draws was 23,000, which means it was just amazing and just perfect. People who knew French around that time, or they started learning French around that time, was still lesser maybe, because the French draw, if you see here, the French draw 800 people they were taken, 800 people were taken in November and December, and the score was 466. Here the score went up 478. Now 478 in November, that means, does that mean people learning French by that time? Obviously the number of people was high and less number of file they could approve at that time. Now look at this figure of 2025. French draw category 2025, already by September, 25,500 people have been already issued the ITA. And the number of people sitting in the pool knowing French are already going up, which means the score is also going up from 300 to 400 to 446 to 481, which is not so concerning, I will say. The reason is the average CRS score is still 428, but it is definitely concerning for the ones who still are in a thinking mode that I might be able to get any other route, I might be able to find any other path, PR pathway. No, because this is the pathway, and this is this is the shortest way and the cheapest way to get and secure your golden PR ticket. Because if you look at this figure, by September, if they have issued to 25,500 already, and there's still months left, that means they are increasing the French category draw as well, and that's super promising. There is this slide talks about certain insights on observation, the average CRS score, and this is the snip which we have taken from the official website of IRCC, promising the future targets. It will go up. It was 8.5 in 2025, 9.5 in 2026, and 10% in 2027, which means that even though you start to learn French today, I promise you, if you clear the TEF TCF by 2026, which you will with the right guidance, you will get the ITA by the end of 2026 for sure. Promise. And that's just hands down. Because if you do not see the number here so well, that means there is something missing. You got to understand that you have to learn French to be able to qualify for the French category draw and to get that golden ticket to Canada PR. So if you look at a quick comparison here of the French category draw with other programs, definitely the French category draws are super regular versus Canadian experience class, health provision, health care draw, and the tech draw, which I have not seen obviously since long, which I think maybe they are obsolete, they are gone. Education draw has just been launched, but still not sure how long it will go. But French is here to stay. And if you look at the pool here, the pool distribution as of the last snip which I've taken for this presentation, I see over and above 500 score, 25,000 files are already there. When 25,000 files are already there, and I really do not see a scope of getting the ITA in 2025. Definitely not, because the immigration IRCC has already completed their target, or would have completed their target by the time these people who are already sitting in the pool above 500 will get an ITA. But if you know French, and if you're somebody who's going to take the exam in the last quarter, then yes, you have a super high chance of getting ITA, because you will be qualified for the French category draw, and their score is below than 500. Hopefully the CRS score might be for the French category could be 447, 448, or maybe you can comment and tell me, what do you think the next category, the next draw will be when, and what will be the CRS score? Please comment, because that way we can all do our own analysis, and also drop the reason that why do you think it could be 447, it could be 500, or it could be 481. I don't want it to be 481 for sure. This is how the future outlook looks like. That means if you look at the picture here, this is the TEF's result, this is the TCF result. Overall, the conclusion out of this entire video is that the French draw will continue to happen, and the French speaker are something Canada is promoting. So you gotta learn French. And before I leave you with some thought, I want to just show you proudly this little wall of fame of the recent success stories, because I didn't want to make it too crumble by putting a lot of success stories, but honestly, we have a lot of them. I want you to see these people, like why they are different from many others. Were they more intelligent, or they didn't have a family, or what was the reason that they are part of this wonderful success wall of fame? They are here because they were different. They were different because they took the right decision at the right time. They learned French, they fought with their daily challenges, kids, school, home, professional, office, job, and countless other things that we go through in our life. And lastly, they were in the right guidance. Yes, they were all our proud student, and they have had their own mental challenges, they have had their own struggles, but yes, they made it. And if they can made it, if they can do this, I'm sure all of you can do this. So please contact us for anything you need. We are very happy to guide you. We are here to help you. Stay tuned. Follow for more, subscribe to the channel, comment below about your prediction and analysis, because you will be the one who would know better than me for sure. And I'm super happy to know your views today. Thank you, and thank you for watching the video. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.